Remembering the time that puppy took your ice cream always makes me laugh. If you don't have the right weapon, you shouldn't aim for the head.
Many people experience tension headaches, which are mainly caused by muscle contractions and stress. That's why you shouldn't be too hard on yourself.
Do you need me to lower my head? Thank you.
My hair is messy. Your face is stiff when you lie. It's better to stay calm when there's a challenge. You can always find a solution.
I'm down for the count. If you want to do anything to me, do it now. Do you want to hear me sing? Not right now. After you mess up my hair, don't forget to neatly put it back. Okay, I surrender. You can take back your hand. Stop poking me.
You're really not gentle when it comes to this. Is this supposed to be comforting? It's an odd sensation. Only the weak seek comfort. I don't need it. It's not often I see you in a hurry. I'd like to take the time to admire this a bit more.
To get here faster, I actually flew straight over. I wonder what apple juice mixed with coffee would taste like. Exactly. You gotta keep trying new things in life. It's the same with relationships. We should explore new dimensions together. Yep, it's full of secrets. Want to listen to me talk about them?